Okay, I got this log roller. It's called a Woodchuck. Woodchucktool.com. I bought it off the website because the website's like $30 cheaper than Amazon. So I wasn't going to bother to film it. Then I started taking it out of the box. It's a little tricky, so I thought I'd film it. This stuff wasn't here. And then this slid right out of the box. So it's got this thing. And then it's got this. That's clamped down. And one little piece of directions here. Remove cant teeth that are bolted to inner flange. I suppose they're talking about this. Attach hook between flange and replace cant teeth. So I guess they're saying put this inside here. Use socket wrench to tighten lock nut so hook does not wobble but still pivots freely. So this has got to move around here. Attach longer bolt on forward with carriage bolts passing through slots toward grip end of inside. I think they might be talking about this thing here. There's a big one, a small one. The front edge goes toward that. Goes that way. That the two holes got to be like this. This one will go like that. So attach longer foot on forward, and carriage bolt passing through slots toward grip. Oh, so they want the flat and the flat bolts here, and then the nuts go that way, so the nuts don't drag on the ground. Attach longer foot on the forward with the carriage bolts passing through the slots toward grip, so the nuts face that way. Repeat with shorter angle here. Okay, I gotta get a socket. That's just a blank piece of paper. Okay, so this is a 14 millimeter. Slotted. suppose that makes it easier to take apart, I guess. I guess not. Probably gonna need two to hold this one. Okay. Okay, let's see what it says about using it. Rolling. Roll log away from you. Lifting handle upward. Feet should be facing upward. As you slide the tool towards the log, over the cant teeth, and one of the points on the front grab into the log. Roll the log away from you,
Oops.